Welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. I'm going to show you how you can make your own homemade cheese tortellini soup. Super easy, one pot method, super quick. Let's do it. I'm going to start with the vegetables. So I've got here 4 medium carrots, diced. And I've got here 4 sticks of celery, diced. And then I've got 1 medium onion, diced. A 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can use any oil you want, but olive oil seems, it seems nice because we're making an Italian kind of soup here, aren't we? Straight in there. That's a lot of oil. Onions straight in there. Give that a stir. Now, did I mention this is completely vegetarian? It's even vegan, isn't it, Jess? Is it vegan? No, there's cheese. It's vegetarian.
Gabriel gets confused.
Right, you want 1 teaspoon, this is not a teaspoon, of smoked paprika. Oh, look at this. God damn it. Straight in there. Now, this helps to bloom the flavors. 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Do you like your heat, Jess?
Yes.
Because I just put a whole lot in there. Then mixed herbs, you want 2 teaspoons in there. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now, you can use 4 cloves of garlic and then puree that, mince that yourselves if you want, but you can get the one that's already a paste, which is a lot easier. Yeah, very lazy. Drop that in there. Stir. Celery goes in there. Guys, vegetables are good for you, okay? And this is a lovely way to give your kids vegetables, okay? They'll just, all they'll hear it's a cheese tortellini, right? They'll be like, oh, god damn, Mom, Dad, you've made me a lovely pasta soup. Oh, it's so nice. They'll be like, god damn, there's no way vegetables can taste as good. So at this point, we just want to saute our vegetables. So now you want to make a little well in the middle, just to sort of clear the space so the tomato puree can fry. 1 tablespoon. Stir in the middle till it fries. That takes a little bit of the harshness off, You guys know me by now. I always balance out anything tart with brown sugar. So I've got here 1/2 tablespoon of light brown sugar. Straight in there, just to take that edge off. It's just too much. Stir. Now we're gonna get our vegetable broth ready. You're gonna need 3 cubes. If you're using cubes, 3. If you're using the one that's already liquid, you need about 1.6 liters of it. So that's a lot of broth. So I'd recommend you get yourself some of these. So I'm just gonna do 400 or 500. Dissolve it and then add 2 more 500s in there. It's just plain water. So this is boiling water. Straight in there. So we reach about 500 milliliters. So at this point, you wanna grab yourself a 1/2 cup measurement or a jug that goes to 125 milliliters. And you want dry white wine, 125 milliliters of that. Straight in there. And a little extra for good luck. Stir. All the alcohol, all the ethanol is already out. You can smell it in the air. Good riddance. Anyway, then you want to add your stock. Now remember, this is 1.6 liters, but we're going to do it in batches. So now we're going to simmer for 20 minutes till our vegetables are soft. Remember, this feeds the whole family. You can halve the recipe if you want less, or you can double it if you've got a big old family. God damn, good for you. Cover and simmer. So at this point, you want to taste it, because sometimes it is bland as hell. Get yourself some MSG. I've got here, what's this? 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put 1 and a bit teaspoon in there. You can replace that directly with salt if you want. It's not going to be as good, but you can. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt as well to this, because it was lacking in flavor, guys, I'll be honest. Damn. Stir. In the spirit of keeping it vegetarian, I can't use my usual chicken soup. When you're happy with that, now it's time to add our tortellini. These are cheese tortellinis. We have a little bit of spinach and cheese tortellinis in here. Ricotta. Is it spinach and ricotta?
Yeah.
Spinach and cheese. 680 grams of that. 46 grams of parmesan. Straight in there. Stir. Right, we'll leave that for 5 minutes. At this point, after 5 minutes, you want to add a bunch of kale. This is chopped kale. 3 handfuls, I suppose. This is about 2.5 of my handfuls. Usually you'd go with double cream, but we've only got crème fraiche. So we're gonna add that in, and because it's crème fraiche, it's a bit more tart, so we'll balance that out with some honey. If you use double cream, you don't have to add honey at all. Just a little bit of honey. You want to carefully stir this in, guys. Very gentle. Now serve. This looks incredible. Let's get more soup. It's just got on my finger, guys. It hurts so much.
Cry baby.
And there you have it, guys. This is a beautiful cheese tortellini soup. Had a taste of it and I was like, oh my god, you know what goes good with this? You'll never guess what. Homemade parathas. And if you want to know how to make this, we actually have a recipe for you. We'll leave it right there in the description, wherever, in the comments, there somewhere. It'll be easy to find a delicious, easy, quick recipe to make flaky homemade parathas. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If we have added value, please leave a comment or subscribe or whatever you want to do, man. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.